Hello, and welcome back, my dear friend. I am so happy to see you again. This is day 2 of our 30-day journey together. Yesterday, we learned how to meet people. Today, we will learn easy English sentences about your daily routine, how to talk about your morning, your day, and your night. So do not worry, do not rush, just listen and repeat after me. Are you ready, my friend? Let's begin. Here is our first sentence. What time do you wake up?
What time do you wake up?
What time do you wake up? The answer, I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 7. Your turn. Say it with me. I wake up at, and your time? Wonderful. Let's try the next one. Do you make your bed?
Do you make your bed?
Yes, I make my bed.
Do you make your bed? The answer. Yes, I make my bed. Yes, I make my bed. Beautiful. Let's continue. Do you exercise in the morning?
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I exercise every day.
Do you exercise in the morning? The answer. Yes, I exercise every day. Yes, I exercise every day. Wonderful. Next one. What do you do in the morning?
What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth.
What do you do in the morning? The answer. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. Very good. Next sentence. Do you take a shower?
Do you take a shower?
Yes, I take a shower.
Do you take a shower? The answer. Yes, I take a shower. Yes, I take a shower. Excellent. Let's keep going. What do you eat for breakfast?
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
What do you eat for breakfast? The answer. I eat bread and eggs. I eat bread and eggs. Say it with me. I eat and your breakfast. Wonderful. Next one. What do you drink in the morning?
What do you drink in the morning?
I drink a cup of tea.
What do you drink in the morning? The answer. I drink a cup of tea. I drink a cup of tea. Beautiful. Let's continue. How do you go to work?
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
How do you go to work? The answer. I go by bus. I go by bus. Very nice. Next sentence. What time do you start work?
What time do you start work?
I start at 9.
What time do you start work? The answer. I start at 9. I start at 9. Excellent. Let's keep going. Are you busy at work?
Are you busy at work?
Yes, I am very busy.
Are you busy at work? The answer. Yes, I am very busy. Yes, I am very busy. Wonderful, my friend. You are doing so well. Now, I have a small task for you. In the comments below, type one word. Type the word ready. This tells me you are practicing with me and you are ready to learn more. So pause for a moment and write ready in the comments. Thank you, my friend. Now, let's continue. What do you eat for lunch?
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice and chicken.
What do you eat for lunch? The answer: I eat rice and chicken. I eat rice and chicken. Beautiful. Next one. Do you drink water?
Do you drink water?
Yes, I drink a lot of water.
Do you drink water? The answer: yes, I drink a lot of water. Yes, I drink a lot of water. Very good. Next sentence. What time do you finish work?
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5.
What time do you finish work? The answer: I finish at 5. I finish at 5. Excellent. Let's keep going. How do you go home? How do you go home? The answer: I walk to my home. I walk to my home. Wonderful. Next one. What do you do in the evening? What do you do in the evening? The answer: I rest and relax. I rest and relax. Beautiful. Let's continue. Do you watch television? Do you watch television? The answer: yes, I watch for 1 hour. Yes, I watch for 1 hour. Beautiful. Next one. Do you check your phone? Do you check your phone? The answer: yes, I check my phone. Yes, I check my phone. Very good, my friend. Now, here is your second task. In the comments below, write where you are from. Write your country. For example, type, I am from, and your country. I love to see where all my friends are learning from. So write your country now, in the comments, and let's continue together. What do you eat for dinner? What do you eat for dinner? The answer: I eat soup and bread. I eat soup and bread. Excellent. Let's keep going. Do you call your family? Do you call your family? The answer: yes, I call them every day. Yes, I call them every day. Wonderful. Next one. Do you read a book? Do you read a book? The answer: yes, I read before sleep. Yes, I read before sleep. Beautiful. Next sentence. What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? The answer: I go to bed at 10. Say it with me. I go to bed at, and your time. Very good. Next one. Do you sleep well? Do you sleep well? The answer: yes, I sleep very well. Yes, I sleep very well. Excellent. Let's keep going. Are you tired at night? Are you tired at night? The answer: yes, I am a little tired. Yes, I am a little tired. Wonderful. Next one. What is your favorite time of day? What is your favorite time of day? The answer: I like the morning best. I like the morning best. Beautiful. Next sentence. Do you have a busy day? Do you have a busy day? The answer: yes, my day is very busy. Yes, my day is very busy. Very good. Next one. Do you like your routine? Do you like your routine? The answer: yes, I like my routine. Yes, I like my routine. Excellent. Let's keep going. What do you do on Sunday? What do you do on Sunday? The answer: I stay home and rest. I stay home and rest. Wonderful. Next one. Do you wake up early? Do you wake up early? The answer. Yes, I wake up early. Yes, I wake up early. Beautiful. We are almost finished. Was your day good today? Was your day good today? The answer. Yes, my day was very good. Yes, my day was very good. And our last sentence for today. Good night, sleep well. Good night, sleep well. The answer. Good night to you too. Good night to you too. Excellent work today, my friend. You practiced 30 sentences about your daily routine. You did very well. This was day 2 of our journey. Tomorrow, in day 3, we will learn easy English sentences for the market, how to go shopping, ask for prices, and buy things. So come back and practice with me again. Do not stop now. We are getting better every day. See you tomorrow, my friend. Bye for now.